JEE 2024 Grand Test Series. I'll give you time for each question. You just go through the question. Key I will give you. If required, I will tell you the solution also. So, the right answer is 1, 2, and 3. P has most negative electron gain enthalpy in the respective period because that is halogen. R is an alkali metal. S exists in +2 oxidation state. So all are right. Incorrect asking. Check carefully. Right. Bond angle of ammonia is 107 degrees. And remaining all are close to 90 degrees because there is no hybridization, pure orbitals participate. Check carefully. The first ionization enthalpy of gallium is higher than that of D block element with atomic number 30. Atomic number 30 is zinc. Zinc is stable because of fulfilled electronic configuration. Again incorrect. I minus is oxidized to IO3 minus in basic medium. In acidic medium it is to I2 and in basic medium it is IO3 minus. Metal carbon bond strength depends on number of electrons at metal. More the number of electrons at metal, generally that is having great tendency to form the back bonding. Okay, now synergic bond concept. Key given here is B, option B. Nickel tetracarbonyl oxidation state is 0, 4s to 3d8. Cobalt CO, CO4 minus, it is again with 28 electrons. It is again with 28 electrons. All electrons are same. Now, metal should give the electrons more to the carbon. That's possible when the metal is with, less nucleus power. Iron with 26 protons number means less nucleus power than cobalt 27, nickel 28. Very interesting question it is. Metal carbon bond will become strong when metal has more electrons and less nucleus power. See question number 36. Have patience. Chemistry is the scoring subject. आराम से करते जाओ. FeCN6 minus 3 is more stable, definitely plus 3. Iron plus 3. So, absolutely right. Both are correct and correct explanation. Again, correct. Oxygen atoms sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p x2, pi 2p y2. Before that sigma 2p z2. Special na? Pi star 2p x1, pi star 2p y1. In the formation of dioxygen from oxygen atoms, 10 molecular orbitals will be formed. Sigma star 2pz. But this is without electrons. Formed is saying. So that is the right statement. The intensity of red color will not change on addition of Br minus ions. Practical chemistry. You need to focus on this part more if you want to get 100 percentile. Okay, now practical organic chemistry, biomolecules, these topics, you need to be very perfect. I think this is the easiest question. Priority get maximum for the COH. COH gets the highest priority. So 5 cyano, 3 formyl, cyclohex 3 in 1 carboxylic acid. Here, this is this side, sorry. Thank you, Narayana Group, for providing these question papers. The people from remote places and the people from all over India, they can get utilization of these papers. Thank you so much. We are not making any commercial things. We are just trying to provide these papers to maximum students. This is Br2. Br2 when you are using, it is going to form a bromine like this, cyclic bromonium ion. Got it? What happens? It is going to attack here. One interesting compound. 41st. I'm giving you some time to check the questions. Otherwise, if I am saying no, it will be easy for me. Just see the question. Heptane 2,6 diol. So this is the oxidation product of heptane 2,6 diol. So if you want to get this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 member ring should be there with a double bond and with 2 methyl groups like this. So 41st question answer will be Z gives negative 2,4-DNP test. (2,4-DNP test). Incorrect. It gives because it is a ketone. Carbonyl compounds give 2,4-DNP test. Brady's reagent. Correct. 42. Very simple, na? Very easy question of this paper. 43. M3 okay. Me3COK, THF, then acetyl chloride, dilute KOH, finally heating. If any acid is formed, that will be converted to. So according to my key, it is showing C. Just check this question. Bit time taking, but you can try. And in the hints, it is mentioned decarboxylation of beta keto acid after ester hydrolysis. We'll discuss this question again in separate. Time taking, we should not waste our time here. And remember, when you are writing entrance examination, if a question is taking time like this kind of questions, you can spare them for later version. Otherwise, if you are killing all the time, that's a stupidity. The nitrogen atom in each of the following tertiary amines may be removed as trimethylamine. So trimethylamine means there is no trimethylamine, so this is the first one. Because no methyl group is attached here. You can see here methyls, methyls, methyls. But here no such kind of groups. So you need more, which is the amines requires a greater number of such Hoffman sequences. Because in the remaining, in the 44th question, B, C, D, already at least one amine is there, one methyl group is there. In this, no such methyl group is there. 45, correct. This kind of questions, if you know the answer, it will be very fast. Otherwise, amino acids, there are 20 plus amino acids in a table. You need to know which are acidic, which are basic. Mandatory question. Option checking is also good in this case. We know CO plus half O2 gives rise to CO2. CO2, nothing will happen. CO2 plus O2, there is no reaction, already it is highly oxidized form. 100 ml is saying. See, if you take CO 1 ml, you will be getting there 1 ml of CO2. So there is 100 ml reduction. That means initially there is 1 liter. That means 1000 ml is there. Finally, you are getting there 900 ml. So x ml of CO, if you take, this will become 1000 minus x ml. X ml will become into x ml of CO2. If you use this logic, that will be easy for you. Volume ratio of CO and CO2 in the initial mixture. That means in 1 liter, how much of CO and CO2 are there is asking. Check like this, it will be easy for you. Try this, and according to my key, it's showing some 46th question C option. Check. If you're not getting, please mention me in comments. I will give you the complete solution. 47th. Correct statement. When water freezes in a glass beaker, delta S system decreases, and when system delta S decreases, that means surroundings delta S increases. 48. Ten moles of A. 10 moles of B, equal mole fractions are there. So from this 200 it should be 100, from this 100 it should be 50, so it should be 150 millimeters. So P total must be 150 millimeters, but here we got 160 millimeters. So P total is more, that means positive deviation, less attractions, right? You are thinking in a right way. Delta S surroundings is negative. It's a positive deviation. 49th question, you see. Again incorrect. When such two options are given, any one of them must be right, because there is no reaction in chemistry which is having neither exothermic nor endothermic property, either exothermic or endothermic. So here you can easily check this. My key says it is exothermic. See, the value of K is 50 at 400 Kelvin and 1700 at 500 Kelvin. Okay, 400 to 500 Kelvin means when you are increasing temperature, the K value is increasing. K value increasing on increasing temperature means it is endothermic reaction, because K is directly proportional to T. So incorrect, exothermic. 50th one. Here some combinations are given. Lakeland cell, zinc to zinc plus 2 electrons, nickel cadmium cell, rechargeable, fuel cell, H2 plus O2 gives us to water. So option A. Mercury cell does not involve any ion in solution and direct things. Let's go to 51st, numerical type of questions. 51st. Total number of geometrical isomers for the square planar complex RHCl CO PPH3 NH. This is like M ABCD type. So M ABCD means you can say A to B trans, then A to C trans, and A to D trans. So 3 will be there. The total number of compounds having p pi bonding among the molecules given below are. P pi means that should be SO2 1 p pi 1 p pi d pi, SO3 1 p pi 2 d pi 2 d pi p pi, right? CO2 mandatorily p pi. C3O2, yes, C3O2 is also will be having the similar type. Okay, and this is also there. N2O5 nitrogen oxide means compulsorily. Cl2O7 and Cl2O6, both these have only d pi p pi, because the both chlorine in these cases undergo sp3 hybridization. There are no pure p orbitals with chlorine, so no p pi, only d pi in those cases. So answer should be 5. Find the number of resonating structures of the given carbon ion where negative charge is on secondary carbon. So he is asking secondary carbon should have negative charge. So this is here. You can take here nitrogen, and when this goes like this, negative charge here, this is tertiary. So in all resonance forms, you can come back to secondary carbons 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it should be 4. From which position does NO2 plus replace a hydrogen from the following compound? See, this is ring activating group to this para position. That's better. Yes, answer 3. Okay, see 5, 4, 3 answers. 55th question. The degree of unsaturation in the major product B will be, what's happening here? AgNO3. Bromine, AgNO3, and dilute NaOH. Think about the major product. AgNO3 CH2Br, when you are taking, it cannot be like dilute NaOH means here it should go like what you say? Yeah, aldol condensation. Aldol condensation should take place with 5-member ring with one double bond O, one OH, and 5 carbon. If I am not wrong, the structure of this product must be with 5-member ring, C double bond O, like that it should be. Here CH2 plus is already there, so 6-member ring is formed. Here only 6-member ring is formed, so this A is a cyclohexanone after rearrangement, after ring expansion, and when this is undergoing the change, you will be getting a compound like this, double bond O, double bond, degree of unsaturation 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good question. Here ring expansion will be there. First step is it is going out Br minus, so this is getting press charge and ring expansion. Then proton is lost from here and turning into this one. Very, very good question. 56th question. How many of the following diazonium salts are less reactive than 1 towards, this is 1. NO2 group is there. NO2 group is one of the strongest withdrawing group. So you need more such groups. So you can easily check which contains better things. NO2 group is for benzene diazonium salt. Here you see there is no NO2 group. Here 2 methyl groups are there, this one. NO2 groups are good, 2 NO2 groups are here, 3 NO2 groups are here. Diazo coupling reaction, right? Diazo coupling reaction means this will go and it is going to form like this. Diazo coupling reaction. So answer 3. NO2 groups are good here. Analyze the complete and following, analyze and complete the following reactions. See what is saying. Find the sum of the molar masses in grams of byproducts, if any, formed in the above reactions. First case, there is no byproduct. It is simply converted into propane. Then H2 zinc H plus. What is this again? So this is plus HCl. And here NaOH, and this should be CaO, not CuO. CaO. So it will be going out Na2CO3. What is asking actually? Molecular mass of the side products, if they are asking. Find the sum of molar masses in grams of byproducts, if any, formed in the above reactions. Here HCl is formed. Here Na2CO3 is formed. I think something went wrong because byproducts he is asking. So main product, we are not taking main product. This is main product and this is again main product. Here also you are getting the same main product, CH3, propane. Byproducts are here HCl and here byproduct will be Na2CO3. And how it can be 4? So something went wrong here. Okay, na? So it should be byproducts. If you are taking HCl and Na2CO3, it is 106, it is 36.5. A light of wavelength 200 nanometer falls upon a surface of 2 different wavelength photons. So this you can solve by using the concept of E is equal to hc by lambda, or 1 by lambda is equal to 1 by lambda 1 plus 1 by lambda 2. This also you can use. And my key says the answer is 5. Check once, and if any doubt is there, please send me back. Pause, check the answer, send me back, because it is maximum time is going. 2 questions will complete, right? 59th question answer is showing in my key, it is 27 and this is showing 5. pH of 0.08 moles per decimeter cube HOCl solution is 2.85. If its ionization constant is A in 10 to the power minus B, find the value of B. Okay, now when these kind of questions are there, better you just leave this, because you have 5 questions choice. Because anti-log and all this calculation will be generally tough job. Ionization constant easy is asking. HOCl is a weak acid, so H plus ion concentration is equal to root over KAC. This Ka you need to find out. H plus concentration is minus pH is equal to minus of log H plus. From that you need to get from this. That's blah blah blah. 59th question. When 1 mole of an ideal gas 20 atma 15 liters volume expands such that the final pressure becomes 10 atma volume 20 liters, the entropy change in the process is, first find out delta H, then Q reversible by T, delta H by T, work done 20 atma, here it is 10 atma. If you want to make the pressure same at 10 atma, this will become 30 liters. So P delta V 20 atma pressure, if you are giving P delta V, P is equal to 20 atma and volume will become 30, 20 into 30, that is 600 atma liters or 600 joules. If you calculate, you will be getting the answer of 27. So what I wanted to mention here, very simple. Don't think about all this. These are not the papers which are going to come. These are practice papers. Thank you Narayana Group for providing these papers for us. All the students can see, so that they can prepare well for the exam. Thank you so much Narayana Group. My dear students, just go on solving more number of papers nowadays. Today is 6th and your exams are going to start from 24th. From 6 to 24, every day you try to solve one question. So many papers are available in market. Go on solving. All the very best. And 4-5 questions we didn't answer here, I do remember. Send me some messages if I find time. Not I find time, I will find time and I will explain, right? Based on your requirement. If you are getting, I know you can do much better than me. Thank you.